If you've been following the cryptocurrency news, you've probably heard about the local Los Angeles man who became a Dogecoin millionaire. Supposedly, he was able to pull this insane feat off in just 2 months. His name is Glauber Contessoto. And in this video, we're going to be discussing the risk he took, why it paid off, and how the same sort of risk might pay off for other people too. There's no denying his success has gone viral. Every thread and forum out there with a section meant for discussing Dogecoin is holding conversations about Glauber Contessoto. It's to be expected, considering that he just jumped from middle class to millionaire. But this has raised a brand new question for a lot of newbies in the crypto market. They want to know if they can become a Dogecoin millionaire too. First, we're going to get into exactly what Dogecoin is. Some people are familiar with it, others aren't. I'll keep things brief just in case you have already gone and done your own research, but really, when it comes to a subject like cryptocurrencies, there's no such thing as being too prepared. In short, Dogecoin is a type of cryptocurrency. In fact, it's pretty similar to Bitcoin. It was originally created as part of a joke within the community. It was based off a popular meme. The meme in question involves the image of a Shiba Inu and the misspelled word dog, that is DOGE. It was created by Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus. It was meant to poke fun at the concept of Bitcoin. The creators didn't think it would go anywhere, and used a few publicity stunts to try and raise Dogecoin's original profile. But it quickly gained a cult-like following on Reddit. Specifically, it gained a lot of fame and interest on the subreddit Wall Street Bets. If you recognize that name from somewhere, it's likely because this is the same subreddit that recently caused a fuss with GameStop stocks. You would think that that would be the end of the passing joke, but you're wrong. Instead, Elon Musk, the Tesla CEO, caught wind of Dogecoin. He announced that it was his favorite cryptocurrency. He then went on to say that he had plans of putting physical Dogecoin on the moon. As you can imagine, this made the meme cryptocurrency's popularity skyrocket, having the backing of one of the most successful men in the world attached to it.
Elon Musk wants to send Dogecoin to the moon.
The creators no longer needed to do PR stunts. The internet was doing that for them, all on its own. Some people think that it's all a joke and that Elon Musk isn't really invested in Dogecoin's success. But it doesn't matter too much. If it's a joke, it's still one that has been able to at least triple the amount of people interested in investing with Dogecoin. So that's a quick recap about the Dogecoin origins. Now let's give a quick rundown on how it works. Dogecoin runs on blockchain technology. That's what Bitcoin runs on too. Everyone who uses Dogecoin, called holders, receive a virtual ledger. This ledger contains all the information on their transactions with the currency. Miners use computers to locate and process Dogecoins. Because of this, they can earn extra Dogecoin, which they can either hold onto or sell at the open market. It's a little bit like working the stocks. There's no physical item involved, but you're still buying, selling, and trading something that comes with a lot of worth. Okay, now that we have the basics covered, let's go back to Glauber Contessoto's success story. The man in question invested roughly $180,000 into Dogecoin. At the time, its price was 0.0045 cents. 69 days later, the price of Dogecoin rose to a record high. It was now worth 45 cents. That meant that Glauber's investment had grown to nearly $2 million. That sort of jump is absolutely wild, and something that's never happened with this specific cryptocurrency before.
During that skit, cryptocurrency's price, Dogecoin's price, began to crash. It tanked by about 30%.
One small investment paid off, and now Glauber will never have to count pennies again. So we have our facts. We have our success story. I'm sure the only question that you're left with right now is, what are the chances that someone can make a small investment and come away a literal millionaire? Well, it's really risky. Just like the stock market, the crypto market is always fluctuating. Prices can have a steep rise or a sharp drop at any point in time. It's very difficult to predict where the market will go. You could make a bad investment and be ruined, or you can make a good one and be set for the rest of your life. If you're looking to invest in Dogecoin, I suggest finding a few cryptocurrency-related newsletters to sign up to and a few forums and subreddits to keep track of. The more prepared you are before making that first investment, the better off you'll be. Glauber said that he wanted to take a risk because he was inspired by Elon Musk, because Elon Musk had specifically been supportive of Dogecoin. And because Glauber is a fan of the original meme that the cryptocurrency is based off of, he decided to invest in Dogecoin over one of the other popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum.
When I first bought Tesla stock, it was about $220 because it had dropped down. It was that year that it was going on a decline.
He used all of his money from savings, sold all of his stock, including Uber and Tesla shares, and invested directly into Dogecoin using his Robinhood account. When Glauber said that he went all in with his investment, he really meant it. Obviously, his success story has drawn even more people towards the meme-based cryptocurrency. His original Reddit thread, where he posted about his newly minted millionaire status, has been upvoted almost 80,000 times and has received over 6,000 comments. Even a few mainstream journalists, like Forbes, have reached out to interview him. Glauber took a big risk with his investment, but it paid off, and he doubled down on that. He didn't cash out when the Dogecoin experienced a drop in the second half of April. And 3 weeks later, after the cryptocurrency experienced another surge, at the moment of putting this video together, Glauber is sitting on more than $2 million. It's just another reminder that sometimes the way to get to the next level in life is by taking that leap of faith. Even though there's a chance you can fall, there's also a chance that you can reach new heights that you have never dreamed of before. That's the folly of investing in cryptocurrencies. You're never going to have a strict rule book on how to be successful. You're just going to have to apply due diligence, hope luck is on your side, and take a chance. I'm the Market Monkey, and if you found this video useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing and turning the notifications on. This video does not constitute as financial nor trading advice, and to be frank, you'd be crazy to follow the directions of some random gorilla on the internet.